small blade. Spray it. Especially since this car had tint on it before. I didn't peel it. I don't know who did. But I'm gonna venture to guess they probably left some glue behind. So we're gonna make sure that there's no glue. Show these little dot matrix. We're gonna make sure there's no glue. Okay, we've done that. We will take our scrub tag. We are gonna scrub really good. Getting everything. Rag, wipe the plastics, the sides. You know, I've never seen a 100% contaminant-free window, but we want to try to get as close as we can. So I'm going to kind of flush it. Instead of squeegeeing it, I'm just going to kind of flush it down. And then we'll grab our pattern. Audis are a little trickier because the trim is kind of in the way, so we kind of have to get it in there, get it flat, kind of wiggle it around a little bit, get it where there's no gaps. Now here's where you're going to be tempted to just squeegee really hard. Guarantee you're going to slide the film around. I just got these, I'm trying these out. They seem to work pretty good so far, so. Just to kind of get an anchor, I just kind of want to gently squeegee it, not really putting very much pressure, because I don't want the pattern to move. Once you get it anchored pretty good, then you can go back and really go to town. Okay, this tool is glorious for this. That corner's a little tricky. Get in here with something that's a little longer. Just to work that corner, I got a sticker on here when I take off. Kind of in the way, to be honest with you. So now I can come back and I can really get out any water that might be in there. That's it. It's tinted.